Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about how to sustain the competitive advantage. That means how to increase the durability of a company's competitive advantage. The durability of a competitive advantage depends on the following factors. One is barriers to imitation. Imitation means copying. The competitive advantage of an organization developed by cost leadership or differentiation strategies that are obtained through superior quality, superior responsiveness, efficiency, and innovation. If these products, features, strategies are easy to imitate by other companies, then the durability of a company competitive advantage is very less. Yes, it can be easily imitated, so they can take away the advantage of an organization. The speed of imitation by competitors in reducing advantage, imitation by acquiring similar resources, and imitation capabilities. If it is very difficult to imitate, then company can sustain the advantage for longer time. Okay, so these are all the factors which affects the sustainability of competitive advantage. Another important factor is limits on competitors. That means prior strategic commitments, absorptive capacity for change, because every company have their own strategic directions. Okay, already they are planned for some strategic commitments, they have some goals or objectives. Okay, if they stick to that prior planned strategic commitments, then they won't it won't affect the advantage of a company A. And if it is easy for them to adapt to the changes, absorb the changes, and implement the changes in their organization, they are very flexible and dynamic. They may imitate the company's practices to take away the advantage from the particular company. Another factor is industry dynamism. The rapid innovation cycles leads to shortened product life cycles. That becomes every product become obsolete very quickly. Maybe the product life cycle may last for only few years, 2 years or 3 years or less than 5 years. So in this type of highly dynamic industry, it's very difficult to maintain a competitive advantage for a very long time, because every product changes. The company who keep them up to the task, okay, up to the trend, they may take the advantages. So it's very difficult to sustain the advantages where the industry is highly dynamic. Okay, so those are all some of the factors that decides competitive advantage. Why do most of the companies fail? Even though they do external analysis, opportunity threats, strengths and weakness analysis, they build a strategy and implement it, but still many companies fail. So what are all the reasons? Major factors for the company's failure are inertia. Already we have discussed. Inertia means rigidity, inflexibility. Okay, so their organization structures, their working pattern, their procedures, the culture, it is very rigid. It's difficult to change. Unless it is flexible, the company cannot adopt the changes that are happening outside. Unless the organization ready to change, it cannot up to the present or future desired state. So it is a major reason. Then prior strategic commitments. The company must formulate the strategy according to the present and future environmental factors. That means opportunities, threats in the external environment. If they strongly stick to the prior strategy commitments, if they are not ready to change the strategy according to the changes in the external environment, then they fail to cope up with the changes in the external environment. Of course, they will fail. Okay. So these are the main reasons for the company's fail. How to avoid failure and sustain the competitive advantage. Okay. Always focus on the foundational factors. The foundations are superior efficiency, superior innovation, superior quality, superior customer responsiveness. Focus on the basics. Okay. If you will continue to do that in any situation, the company can maintain the competitive advantage. Institute continuous improvement and learning. We have discussed these concepts in quality management. The continuous learning and continuous improvement is very, very important. Track best industrial practice and use benchmarking. Overcome inertia. The organization must be flexible, dynamic. Okay. They may ready to accommodate changes so that they can compete with other organizations in the industry. Okay, so with this we have completed the topic on competitive advantage.